What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another update on Turbo. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so I'm not going to go over Bitcoin for very long. However, just understand right now we are retesting previous support levels. Ideally, we do not want to lose that $91,000 range. If we lose this level, then expect more downside. But on the contrary to that, if we lose this level, then there could be a lot better opportunities in the meme coin market. The reality is that there are a lot of new investors who have entered the market, but they had to buy at much higher prices. If a lot of you guys can remain disciplined, then you might get much better entries. What's interesting is if you look at the crypto fear and greed index, we were at 69, which is still greedy. This just goes to show you how much greed there was in the market. We were extreme greed for a very long time. And it is very important for you to always remember that nothing runs forever. There are always going to be pullbacks in this market. And consolidation like this is very important from a long-term perspective. A lot of people just focus so much on the short term, but that's not always what's important. Anyways, though, if we look at the meme coin market, you can see that a lot of meme coins are getting hammered. In the last week, Dogecoin's down 7%, SHIB's down 9%, Pepe is down 20%. If you scroll down, you can see that Turbo's actually down 15% in the last week. So it's actually holding better than Pepe right now. If we actually click on Turbo, you can see that the volume is down a little bit in the last 24 hours, but it's up to 82 million. In my previous Turbo video, we were even lower than this, so the volume has climbed a little bit. But you can see that most of the volume right now is still coming from Binance and Bitget. That hasn't changed since my last video. Bitget actually has higher volume than Binance right now. And when we look at the Turbo chart, it's still just major consolidation. I'm going to show you guys the daily time frame instead. So you can see, even during this market crash, Turbo is still holding key levels. This is awesome to see. A lot of projects right now have lost major support levels. Again, that's not the case for Turbo. I truly believe that this is one of the best looking charts in all of crypto right now. A lot of people out there think that Turbo is very boring right now, but I want to point out Bitcoin again. A lot of people also thought Bitcoin was very boring when I was showing you guys the 10-day time frame, and we were trading in this macro bull flag. But I was telling you guys for months and months and months that there's a good chance that this bull flag breaks to the upside. And obviously we ended up breaking out parabolically and running to around 108,000. Now again, is Bitcoin going to retrace more? It certainly could. But from a technical analysis standpoint, consolidation is very necessary. Truthfully, Turbo looks very good, especially given the current market conditions. When you look at the Turbo X account, not a whole lot has changed. They're still posting on here every single day, and they're growing every single day. They're up to 106,000 followers. I like this post right here 23 hours ago. Turbo's expanding ecosystem. A true pioneer in the blockchain industry, Turbo's AI-driven innovation is paving the way for the next evolution of community-driven tokens. The months ahead promise groundbreaking progress as we break more barriers in crypto. And this right here is very important. How many projects out there do you see right now that are trying to copy Turbo's success? And some of them are actually having a lot of success themselves. But this is how you know you're a great project, when you have a lot of people trying to copy your success. But at this moment, there's not much else for me to say about Turbo. I'm still very bullish on this project, and I think you guys should be too. Obviously, nothing is financial advice, but you cannot let a little market correction shake you out of your conviction plays. But if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Turbo, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But even during this downtrend, we've been making huge gains in here. As a lot of you guys know, I posted a buy alert for Doge at a $10 million market cap, and it ran over 500 million. And even recently, a lot of my Discord's been hitting on microcaps. For example, Nitro was a big hit. It was called at 29K and it ran over 1 million. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Turbo will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.